So guys, naghahanap ako ng alternative sa Spectre Ghost. Gusto ko ng something a bit more fresher than that. So naghahanap ako ng Ani X DNA. And ito raw yun, yung Revolt Uprising by Arabia Prestige. Noong unang namoy ko palang love at first sniff agad. Kinuha ko agad actually immediately. And ngayon, it's time to unbox it. So yan guys, yung Revolt Uprising. Ayan. Ayan yung pagbukas pala niya. Ayan guys. So ito yung Revolt Uprising. Tandaan ko ulit yung smell nito. Spray ko ulit. Smooth. Ang smooth. Para siyang, alam mo yung ice cream, pero frothy. Frothy ice cream. Pero yung opening niya, mas bright. More bright. Much easier to wear. Hindi as dark. Yeah. Bango. Bango nitong Revolt Uprising. I think if you really love a more wearable Spectre Ghost, this is the one to go for. Hindi ko pa alam yung performance, guys. Pero, wala eh. Kinuha ko agad siya dahil lang sa amoy lang. Sa amoy lang. Kasi I love that nice, spicy, frothy vanilla. Tsaka fresh siya. Like, fresh sa opening. So yeah. Revolt Uprising by Arabiat Prestige. Kinuha ko to sa Westworld Souk. And hopefully, okay naman yung magiging performance niya. Hoping a lot for this fragrance. Pero so far, really, really good talaga siya. Yeah, nice, smooth vanilla. Ito guys.